A whole year? Nah, there's no way that was the last time I played. That had to be like when I made it, right? No way it's been that long. Ain't no way. Couldn't have been. Oh, yeah. Can I get you to do me a solid? Go ahead, step out of the vehicle real quick. Appreciate that, man. Ain't no way the first customer I see in a year ain't got his stuff together. Look, it says he's got 5 goats, too. He's only got 3 goats back here. What's bro doing? Cargo list wrong. All right, sir, look here. I'm going to give you a chance to tell me what you got stashed in your front driver's side tire. You ain't going to tell me? Because I know you got something in there. Okay, you don't want to tell me. You just made it worse for yourself, buddy. All right, let's see what you got. Oh, leave you alone? Okay. You just threw your whole life away for cigarettes. $990 bribe. You think that's enough to let me... Okay, yeah, sure. You got me messed up. Out here disrespecting me. He just threw his life away for cigarettes, chat. Let me go check your toilets real quick. You got a little attitude. Won't you square up and do something then? Huh? Do something. You gonna do something? Yeah, that's what I thought. Bro think he... Yo, Teddy, he think he tough. Alright, buddy. You're so lucky. You're so lucky I'm a changed man. Because the old me, I would have planted something in here. Oh. Come on, man! You look a little nervous, sir.